Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study last night step by step. Begin by choosing the top 3 topics to review and set a clear goal for the night. Use a single 50-minute focused study block, then take a 10-minute break to recharge. Keep notes concise and highlight formulas, dates, or definitions to memorize quickly. Avoid learning new big topics and focus on reinforcement and active recall for better retention. Switch to active methods to boost memory and confidence. Quiz yourself with flashcards or practice problems rather than passively rereading notes. Summarize each topic aloud in 2 to 3 clear sentences to check understanding. If something trips you up, spend a focused 15-minute block on that gap and then retest. Teaching concepts out loud helps identify fuzzy spots and cements memory faster than silent review alone. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips. Quick recommendation: if you drive to campus, grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh and focused during study runs. It's a small comfort that makes late-night commutes nicer. I've linked it in the description along with other deals, so check there if interested. And now let's get back to the video. Respect sleep as part of studying rather than an optional extra. Try to get at least 4 to 6 hours to keep thinking sharp and reaction time steady. Plan a brief 30 to 60-minute morning review for quick recall of key facts. Steer clear of heavy caffeine late at night unless you know it helps you, and instead use light movement or deep breaths to reset focus before sleeping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.